So one exercise to do for this big toe is to keep this leg straight, and you are going to pull on this big toe nice and gently. And you may feel a stretch in the bottom part of your foot. You may not. You may have to grab all of those toes and kind of pull them back. And this will stretch this bottom muscles of your foot. This is just a generalized stretch. More specific stretch, I will show you a toe lumbrical stretch next. So this is gonna be your lumbrical stretch. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your hand like this, and you're gonna grab the inside part of your foot, and you're gonna stabilize these bones right below your toes, okay? Then you're gonna spread your toes apart, and you can do this, usually I do it with 4 fingers at a time, so I'll do all of them but my big toe, and then I'll do my big toe. And again, you really wanna squeeze these bones on the middle part of your foot, and you're gonna pull these toes back. Now, I feel way more of a stretch here than I did in the other more generalized stretch. And you're gonna kind of hold this here for 30 seconds. This is stretching the muscles right in between the toes that can get really tight. So then I'm gonna grab kind of my big toe. I'm gonna stabilize here, and I'm going to stretch these guys back. Good. So far we have covered toe stretching and doing the toddler squat. We have a couple more, so stay tuned.